Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I haven't vlogged in such a long time. I kind of just stopped vlogging after college because like I used to do like college week of my life and stuff, and then everything happened with the pandemic, so I obviously didn't have that much to be doing in vlogging. But today I am back with another vlog. This is gonna be my last college move out vlog. I'm really sad because I did graduate in May and I'm gonna be moving out of my apartment today. My situation has been all over the place these past few weeks because like living situation, because I obviously live with my parents still and I just live here at school. Like I have my apartment at school and then I would like go home sometimes. But my whole family is actually moving out of our house because it just sold and my parents are building a new house, kind of in the same area though, so I'm not going far at all. The construction was supposed to be done at the end of this month, but our cabinets burned down. Yeah, they were on their way to get delivered to the house, obviously to be installed, and the truck burned down, so the house got delayed for another month, so it's probably not going to be done until the end of August. So I've been living at home since March, and I basically had to move everything that I had there into storage with all my parents' stuff. So the majority of my things were at home and we just moved all of that like last weekend or the weekend before. And my sister and her husband actually just bought a new house. So I'm going to be moving into their house for now. My parents are renting like a little tiny house for them right now, just until our house is done. And I'm going to be going to my sister's new house. So I'm going to move everything that I have here to her house, which is basically going to be like another storage unit for all of this stuff. And then eventually by the end of August, hopefully we're going to be able to move into my parents' house. So everything here is going to my sister's tonight. Some of the things are going to John's house just because like I don't need plates or like dishes and kitchen stuff anymore because I'm going to live at home and my parents have that stuff on their own. So I'm going to be giving a lot of this to John. But yeah, I haven't done really any packing. I have a few things still packed from when I packed from my house. So like I had some of my clothes I don't wear that often already in bags and ready to go. But I do have to go through everything else that's in here and in our common area, and I have to clean everything. It's really not that dirty, like we kept it really clean, so there's not much for me to do, but I'm just gonna do one last like sweeping and like wiping down the counters and stuff. I need to go through like the checklist that they send us, like the move out checklist. As you can see, I didn't even make my bed because I'm about to just take off all the sheets. But yeah, moving vlogs are always fun, even though this one's a sad one because I'm moving out of college and never coming back, but it's okay. I'm so excited to move into my parents' new house though. It's gonna be really nice and kind of just a good transition, good life transition. Everybody moved. This is pretty much the last day that we can be here. We have to move out tomorrow by noon and John's gonna help me when he gets off work, so he wouldn't be able to do it in the morning tomorrow. So we're just gonna do it all tonight, and I think I have to come back and turn in the keys though in the morning because the office isn't gonna be open by the time that we're done moving out of here tonight. But that's fine because I live like 20 minutes away. But first thing I have to do is a load of laundry. I've been here for like probably 2 weeks now. And I didn't do any laundry because I was just gonna like try and prolong it until the very last day and I can just do it all at once. So I have all my clothes that I have to wash and also my towels, and I'm gonna wash some towels that are out in the kitchen, but I don't know if I want to do those together because I feel like they might have like food and like nastiness on them. First thing, like I said, is I'm gonna do some laundry just so that's going and I can just switch it out throughout me doing everything else. But a lot of this is probably gonna be just like a montage, like time lapse of me doing all these different things. But obviously I'll pop in every so often and let you know like what I'm doing and what's going on. I had some fruit this morning and I've been drinking water. I might make coffee soon. I usually have my coffee at like the afternoon, like 3 or 4, like midday slump kind of thing. But I might have a little bit earlier because I need to get some stuff done. I do actually want to light a big candle first. This is the Storm Sensational. I love it. It's a dupe for Anthropology. If you like that candle. It's like the best way to clean. I haven't burned this in a while, so I'm excited. I also found this room spray that's the same scent, and like I said, it smells just like Anthropology. I love this. You can find them at TJ Maxx or Marshalls, and I definitely recommend it. So I do have a few white things that I don't want to put with the rest of my colors. I do have white towels though, so I think I'm just gonna throw them in with those. I don't even know where to start really. It's really like messy and ugly under my bed just because that's stuff that I brought and I just kept them in like moving boxes. Pretty much, I mean, it's not that bad. It just looks really messy right now. But pretty much everything in here I just have to put in boxes and bags. I don't have that many moving boxes. I just have this big one, a trash bag, and underneath I have like a bunch of shopping bags, and I also have some backpacks and like Lululemon bags up there, so I'm hoping I can just like put things in those. I put up a bunch of things for sale just to like get rid of them here, and the only thing left is this picture frame, and 2 of these pillows. Oh wait, and actually, and also this salt lamp, but it's pretty much broken in the back. Someone was gonna buy it, and then it, like, the back of it chipped off right before I was gonna take it to her. And so I told her, like, sorry, it was breaking and she didn't want it anymore. It still works though, but you can hide this side of it. But I haven't had anybody say they're interested. So if no one gets that by the end of the day, I'm just gonna throw it away. I'm definitely gonna do my clothes last because I have them all on their hangers, and I'm just gonna throw those on the top of my car because I'm not gonna even bag them or anything. I'm just gonna pick them up and carry them. I guess I can do my shoes. I can, like, throw those in a bag. That was already from my house. So this whole thing is filled with shoes, and then I have all those in there. So I'm gonna see how many more I can add to this bag, and then I'm gonna have to put the rest in something else. Okay, so I fit all of my shoes in these 3 bags. Obviously a big one, kind of medium sized, and a smaller one. I did not realize how much room these take. Very bulky, very annoying to pack. I had to, like, smush the extra ones down too just to fit them in these 3 bags. Technically I have my slippers too, so, but I've been wearing those around here, so I might just throw those in somewhere later. Also, this shoe rack can come out and be, like, put, like, squished in, so I'm gonna do that now. Gonna leave this out because it's so good to just dust things off with. I got this at the Dollar Tree, and it's, like, the best duster ever. So anything that's, like, packed up and ready, I'm gonna take out by the door just so it's easy to take out to our cars whenever John gets here later. So there's actually painters that just came in one of the other bedrooms, so if you hear any background noise, that's what that is. I guess I'll pack up my clothes because I have to put the ones that are in my dresser, I'm gonna put in a suitcase, and then just any other bags that I have laying around I can use. Actually, I lied. I totally don't want to do that until I get my clothes out of the washer. So, well, washer and then dryer. But I'm gonna take everything out from under my bed just so I can see what I have, and also, like, little places in these boxes I think I can store things. So I'm just gonna take everything out and see what I have to work with. So everything's pulled out now. These are just some bags I can use, and also empty boxes and crates. Suitcase I'm gonna put my clothes in, and then I have one more box that has some stuff in it already, a really gross duster, and this is, like, my filing cabinet that has, like, paperwork and things like that. I could fit some, like, extra office supplies. This was stuff I was gonna try to get rid of, like books and, like, random office stuff, but no one bought it. So, but yeah, everything else is out from under my bed so I can see what's left and where I can fit stuff. I brought my candle in here just because I'm doing majority stuff in here right now. I can't believe how much faster this burns down all the way. I guess because it's 3-wick. I hate that about the Anthropologie ones. I totally tunnel it every single time because there's just 1 wick and it's, like, a weird shape at the top. But these burn so evenly and nicely, so. Sorry, the fan in here is so obnoxious, but a lot of my stuff for, like, my toiletries is already in these drawers, so I might be able to just keep them in there. I'm gonna pull it all out and see, and then also just organize this miscellaneous, like, bathroom stuff. So as you can see, I was trying to put these drawers back together because I bought them at the beginning of the year, and all 3 of them didn't fit under here. So I separated them and I had 2 in 1. So I just tried to figure out how to put it back together, but I'm hoping we can just move the stuff like that because that's, like, all my toiletries and, like, bathroom stuff, and I can just keep it in one place. As long as we hold it a certain way and the drawers don't come undone, it should be okay if we're just careful. And then under here I just have extra cleaning stuff, and my nail polish is somewhere else, so I'm gonna try and put that with that. And also I have a lotion that I don't want to, like, get everywhere, so I'm gonna try and figure out where to put that, probably with the rest of my shower stuff, because I have, like, shampoo and everything that needs to go in a bag. But I have, like, some waterproof bags that I'm probably gonna put those in. It's been about an hour since I put in the clothes, so I'm gonna go check on them and hopefully switch the load if they're done. So I actually was able to fit my sheets in with those white clothes because there, like, wasn't that much, and it's all white, so I wanted to put it together. I did leave out my comforter because I think I'm gonna wash this too. It's like a and not a duvet, but like I had it underneath my sheets to make my mattress more comfortable. The only thing I didn't wash is this gray blanket. I actually have a couple gray blankets, so maybe I can do all of those together. And then one more load for the towels, like I said. I might actually stop and eat some lunch really quick just because it's a good stopping point and I'm kind of hungry. I've been eating like English muffins with peanut butter and they're so yummy. So I think I'm gonna make one of those and then I'll have some coffee a little bit later. Okay, so I'm pretty sure I have these full and ready to go. These are just like office supplies and candles and different things in that top box. That I'm gonna move out in a second. I pretty much got all of my bathroom stuff together. I put all of my shower stuff, like I said, in one of these like wet, like waterproof kind of bags. Like I said, I'm gonna try and keep everything in these drawers. And I'm throwing this away because it's really rusty and not cute. Oh, I have to take down my shower curtain. I think my mom might want it for her new house, so I'm gonna take that down. I have like a few extra decor pieces that I'm gonna put in a different box, and the rest is just cleaning. So I'm probably gonna use that later, and then I'll just, like I said, throw it in a bag. I just had some extra bath stuff. This is actually at my house, and then I brought it here, and it stayed in its box. It's just like extras of things and soap and stuff, so I'm just gonna leave these in here. But I don't think anything else can fit in this box, so I'm gonna take it out with those other two. My mom gets these at her work. We have so many like little paper boxes that we've moved like our whole house in these, but it's nice because you can keep like certain things in certain boxes and it's not like a bunch of things in one place. I really should label these, but I only have a couple, so it's like I'm pretty much gonna know what's in them. I do have most of my makeup in this makeup bag, but I have this little container that has some extra stuff and my mirror and also my makeup brushes. I need to find a box for that. I'm probably just gonna put it in the other paper box that I have here. And I have like a few other decor things that I'll probably add to this as well. So I'm gonna take these out and then I can start putting my clothes in my suitcase, and I'm gonna switch this load and put in the last thing of blankets. Now that I have my clothes dried, I'm gonna try and clear as much of this out of the way as I can so I can empty this drawer and put those away all into my suitcases and other bags. As you can probably tell, I'm doing the kitchen like very last thing. I'm gonna pack up everything in these cabinets after I finish my room. So yeah, there's not too much out here though. Okay, so I actually fit all of my clothes in the suitcase with more room than I thought. I thought I was gonna have to like stuff some of these because I had some other clothes in those bags, but I fit everything in there. And then I just threw my jewelry holder, some hangers, my belts, I put those in those bags. And then I got this big duffel to hold all of my other like purses and bags. I put those in there along with like this bag that has my bathing suits, hats. Yeah, so this is all clothing and consolidated into not that much, and then just what's hanging, obviously. That's the last thing that has to go in the wash, just my like comforter cushion thing and my actual comforter. I'm gonna put those in together and then should be done with laundry after that. So I'm pretty sure I have everything in its place where it should go to be moved. These are some extra bags that I'm probably going to use to pack like either things in the kitchen if I need to, or if I have any extra stuff I can use those. This is just trash I have going out. Those are full of like other bags, so I can take those out there. Again, like I said, all that's left in my closet is just the hanging clothes that we can just throw on top at the end, some extra bags. So all of this is basically stuff I can use to move more things if I need to. And even over here, I have some extra boxes and crates. I think the big box that I had out there, I'm gonna use for John and put anything that's going to his house in there. But I'm trying to get everything off the floor at least, so when I start cleaning, I can vacuum the carpet. So everything is out of here, packed on the floor, or off the floor, so I can vacuum and start cleaning. I might use some of these to pack, and actually no, I'm gonna pack the kitchen first and then I'm just gonna clean everything at once. So I just made my coffee, so good. I'm literally obsessed with how I do my iced coffee now. I made a TikTok about it, actually. I just filmed it. I don't know when I'm gonna post it, but check out my TikTok because I'm trying to be more active on there. But basically I just brew a hot espresso and then I put it in the freezer for like 20 minutes just to cool it down. And then I use this. This is like the key ingredient, these skinny syrups. Oh my gosh, they're so good. Zero sugar, It's amazing. And it makes it so sweet without having any added sugar. So literally this is like sugar-free coffee and it makes it so sweet and you barely need any in it. And then I put a tiny bit of milk just to kind of make it creamier, but I'm literally obsessed with it. It's so good. So since my room is pretty much packed up, I'm gonna go ahead and do the kitchen so that everything's in boxes and I can just clean everything. Okay, so everything is cleared out. Every cabinet, every drawer. So when John gets here, we can just put it in our cars really quickly. It's really not as much as I thought. I was worried that it wasn't all gonna fit in our cars, but I think it might, hopefully. Oh, I still have all my clothes in my closet, so that might be a problem. This here's just trash, and all I have left out is cleaning stuff, which is what I'm gonna do now. In my room, I just have my pillows and a purse and stuff, things I'm just gonna throw into my car very last minute. And like I said, some cleaning things, and this box is what I'm gonna put the cleaning stuff in after, if there's room, hopefully. Clothes, which I'll throw in the last second, and bathroom cleaning stuff. So literally anything out still is for cleaning, and I'm gonna do that all now. It's 5:30, and I think I got started at like 10:30-ish. I actually got a later start this morning than I wanted to, but I've literally been going at this for like 7 hours, so hopefully the cleaning doesn't take that long. John should be here in like an hour and a half. We kept it pretty clean, so I'm just gonna like wipe everything down one last time. I do think I have to like really clean my shower and bathroom, but that's pretty much it. Everything's looking empty. Pretty sad. I'm getting kind of hungry too. I think we're gonna go to Blaze Pizza. They just opened one over here by school, and John wants it really bad because it's like his favorite place. So I don't know if we're gonna like go right when he gets here and then come back and get everything, or we're just gonna go on the way out. It kind of depends on like how much I finish here, I guess. It sounds so echoey in here now. Having a dinner break. Blaze Pizza. So good. So everything is officially out. Floors are clean, everything's clean. I am coming back tomorrow to turn in my keys, so I'm just gonna get these few things. John found this hand truck by the dumpster and he wants it, so I'll have to get it tomorrow. There's actually a spin bike out there, and we're gonna go look at it because I think the only thing wrong with it is the handles are off. Yeah, so if you can fix it, we might snatch it up too. But I can't lift it in my car by myself tomorrow, I don't think.
Check it out.
Yeah, we'll see if it's worthy. Well, I look crazy now. My hair's all over the place. But that is the end of this moving vlog. My last college move out vlog ever. I'm looking way too oily too. I don't even know where to stand. All this lighting's bad. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching.